Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, family. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Looks like we're bullish for the morning. We have some bullish sentiment going. Even though that wick is crazy, I'm going to turn off my chopper filters. I'm going to let it show, but I'm going to turn off the chop filter. In this circumstance, I'm going to have to put the chop filter on. Alright, so this is going to be an easy retracement call. It's going to pull back. Yeah, because that's in the on a candle like that, it's always going to pull back a little bit. You can see how it's having a hard time a little bit pushing up. So look at that 1 hour real quick. It just tapped into that area we were talking about yesterday. Get what I mean? So and like I said, when the sentiment is going in one direction, it usually goes the other. So if we see the sentiment is bullish, you know, the initial push is going to go in that direction, but you know, it will correct in the other. So oh, oh, man. I want to see something. Because I'm pretty sure if I left this signal alone, it already hit TP2, right? So I'm gonna leave it without the filter on, because that's usually how I do it anyway. I already hit TP2 with the filter on, so I'm actually due to like the volume, the sheer volume of the candle alone, I'm gonna let it correct itself before entering the market today. I think I'm being more careful just because of the news, and usually I'm able to tell in what direction, you know, we might be going in. This morning I thought we were actually going to go short on that 630. Good thing I didn't do that. You know what I mean? So so in this circumstance, I'm kind of just playing it safe. That's all that's happening today. I'm not risking a lot, you know, so. Oh, it's on its way to TP3 at the moment. $68 in profit. Oh, almost a TP3 here. I also believe that today will be like a trendish day. So, depending on where it corrects itself, we might find a really good trend today. quick day, I guess. Yep. 75 points so far. Make sure your stops are at break even. How's everyone doing though? Everyone good? You trade quarter points. I felt that. Today, I got the update of the MT5 EA. So there is going to be some new videos concerning that. If you guys haven't, please consider checking out the broker in the description below. All right. Zero spreads, very small commissions, even better than Athens markets. I caught it during the range. Did I catch the NAS buy? Yeah. I woke up a little slow this morning, so I was a little hesitant on my own trade. So kind of just gathering myself. Yesterday was a long day. Now's a good time to take profit. I mean, I would say take partial. So if you have a standard running, take half off, right? You should have taken TP1, TP2 off the table, let TP3 run, and go that way. That way you secure profits and you're at break even. Worst case scenario, worst case scenario, we get into the next trade like we usually do. See it pulling back a little bit. Remember, impulse correction. And TP3. TP3 has been hit, ladies and gentlemen. 100 points for the morning. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. What up, Houston? So 100 points. Doesn't get any simpler than that, does it? Excuse my low energy. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm actually getting sick. So, but yeah, 100 points for the morning, real easy. Yeah. So. Yep, today was fast. 100 points. 100 points done. So, yeah, that's my morning. I believe so. I think we're gonna get a reversal. It's gonna come and fill in this balance. It always does. Always does. So, but if you made your money this morning, I suggest you stop. NFP, make your money, get off the chart. You know what I'm trying to say? This is the high of New York. It's gonna come back down to its range. So. This candle alone was 73 points. And it hit TP1, it hit TP2 on the opening. Is this a daily thing? Yep. Every day, 100 points. Everyone in the chat, is this a daily thing? Or am I wilding? Do we do this daily? Do we make 100 points and make money daily? I think yesterday was our first loss, and then we made that right back because the trade that I gave you guys hit. That breakout trade hit yesterday. Yesterday's trade that I gave you guys hit for 100 points on that breakout. This is the trade right here. Bow, bow, bow. Dunzo for the morning. You know what I mean? So. No, I did not send the signal out in my signals chat room. I haven't set it up yet. Basically how it works is the Sigma sends the signal out automatically. So the bot sends the trade out to my Discord. So I'll have that set up next week. I didn't want to set it up this week because NFP, and I'd rather be in control of the trades and teach you guys. But starting next week, these trades will be sent to my Discord for free. The reason I'm also doing that is because I don't know if I'm going to be able to do these lives next week or like consistently because I'm gonna go play basketball in the Dominican Republic. So I don't want to leave you guys without, you know, some stuff. So that reversal is here, coming to retrace. We hit TP3. We're done trading for the morning. All right, so I'll stay on for another couple minutes. You guys can ask me some questions, holla at me, because I have a long day of recording videos for you guys for the EA. I'm going to redo my sessions trading video. That might be a little longer video, 20 to 30 minutes long, where I'll teach you guys about how to trade sessions, how to mark up your sessions, the opening candle, the highs, the lows, stuff like that. So yeah, holla at me. You know, if you have any questions, now would be the time to ask. Do I think it will continue to uptrend? Possibly. For what I understand or what I've, back testing wise, like I told you guys, morning impulse in either direction. Today it was a buy, and then it will reverse for the rest of the session. I do think it will trend today, so I think it actually might trend downward. So That's my belief because I'm looking at it. One, we have this crazy imbalance that is going to fill from this big candle, and then we also have some structure that needs to be corrected down below, right? So we have a gap on the 1 hour down below from the previous day high and the previous day close around 11791, and the close, which is 11787. So I think there's a good opportunity to get back into that reversal, but there is obviously bullish structure, so we're gonna wait for the confirmation. Basically, you know, if it comes down, fills this, and then breaks underneath this low and this daily VWAP, then you can possibly see a nice trend back down to the weekly low. %8 past 12 months, 5% in just the past 4 days. On your account? Are you talking about like since being here? Because if you're talking about since being here, that's dope. If you're talking about on your own, that's even doper. Yep, we caught the buy. 100 points, done for the day. Yeah. Or historical data. Yeah. Then 100% you're correct. So obviously we're in bullish structure, but I'm looking at the 1 minute. So if it breaks beneath this low here, right here, this last candle at 11,958, possibly look for slight breaker structure and then correction down below. Usually that's how that will go. And so look at the market movers real quick. Gainers is 82, losers is 19. You know, that's current market data. So, you know, it all depends. If it creates its new higher low here, and then it can continue up on the next buy signal. If you have valid momentum, you can take it if you choose to. I'm done trading, 100 points, done. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to do anything else. I'm done for the day. This is an example of you enter when it tells you to enter. When it tells you buy, you buy. When it tells you sell, you sell. It's based on structure. So if you feel like you can get in quicker, get in quicker. It's based on Renko bricks high and lows, or the close, but we have it set to the high and low. So this is meant to get you in based on the strategy itself. So it doesn't necessarily get you in late, it gets you in on the confirmation. Of course, my boy. NAS100 11,200. That's a big drop. You're talking about 1,000-point drop. From current. Tesla's up 26, Google's up 31, so we're possibly bullish for the rest of the morning. For a continuation. That would be a nice buy signal right there. Yeah, I mean, if you want to take it, go ahead. That's just based on structure, you know, but mine is based on confirmation. Every 20 points, this thing prints. I'm done trading. I don't trade past 100 points. I made my money for the morning. I don't see a 100-point drop. Marina said that, so I'm looking and seeing as to why. Yeah. Because look, it created that double top now on the 1 minute. And now it's accumulating. It hasn't even created a higher low. If you guys make money on this call, I greatly appreciate it if you drop the testimonials into the daily testimonial section of the Discord. So buy NAS100. I have a question. What is the Sigma telling you right now? Is the Sigma saying anything on this screen at the moment? So am I buying or am I not doing anything? I'm staying out. Do I have a trailing stop? For what? I'm done trading. 100 points. Done. Don't overcomplicate this shit, bro. Done. I'm donezo. My morning's done. It's 7:13 in the morning and I'm done. Yeah, it's no problem. People jump on the lives every day. New people, they come in, test us, and we make money, bro. Like whenever I take trades, no. I mean, yeah, but the trailing is really just my TP levels because I open up a trade for each TP level, and I move to break even. So I don't really trail because I don't try to get in for the trends that much. I hit 100 points and I am done. That's it. Done. We hit London's high. I mean, actually, technically speaking, we're still in London. So, you know, this created London's high. I think we're gonna come down and correct that impulse candle from 630, and we're gonna see if it's gonna continue back into a bullish structure or if it's gonna break structure and continue in a downtrend. Oh no, I'm not annoyed. I'm not annoyed. I'm not annoyed. I'm sorry if I'm coming off annoyed. I'm still waking up. I think I'm a little sick, so. Sheesh, after I got that big win yesterday, I'm like 100 points. Yup, done. Easy. No. So, what my trading style is simple. If I am trading a standard lot size, right, and I have 3 TPs, I open up, I split that lot size upon each TP I'm going for. So if TP1 is 25 points, I got a 20.25 running to TP1. I got a 0.25 running to TP2. I got a 0.25 running to TP3. The last one will be a runner. That's why in my screenshots, you guys will see that, I have like 3 trades, 4 trades open because each trade is going to each individual TP. Right, I upped my lot and like to a 500 point would have made me over 10K. Yeah, if that is your risk tolerance, if that is how much you can risk on your account, go for it. I think at the moment that I'm the point in time I'm at now with my trading, 0.25 is my sweet spot, and I think I'm gonna stay here for I think probably a couple months, even if I grow my account to over 100K personally. You know what I mean? I'm gonna chill at that 0.25, then up my lot sizes from there. When I feel extremely like I have to feel extremely comfortable. Yes, you move to break even. You can see right here. Well, I mean, not right now because the trade's done, but the signal would tell you to move to break even. Yes, sir. And you put your salary at the TP1 for all those positions? Yes. Love the consistency, but you send a point through to TP1 and take profit there for TP1? Yes. So that way it's just trade management, right? I don't have to take partials, like I don't have to close out individual partials. This is happening per TP. I've been trading for about 5 years now. I agree 100%. Take your money off the table and be done for the day. Walk away, you're in profit 100%. I learned the hard way multiple times. Trial and error, trial and error. New structure, new trade structure, new strategy. Simple. I've been consistent online with you guys since January with this strategy. You know what I mean? This whole year. yesterday was our first loss live. You know what I mean? And that was off my own personal fuck up. I got in, like, I rushed that trade, and you watch it back. I say that I got too overly confident, but that same trade idea played out right after we got off the call. Like, yeah, 30 minutes after I got off live, the breakout happened, and we hit 100 points. You get what I mean? So I don't trade funded accounts anymore. Don't need to. But I am gonna open up a FTMO. So there's what I'm gonna do. I'm doing an FTMO, and then I'm gonna set it up that is the EA is gonna trade the FTMO account live on YouTube 24/7. So like, it's, you know, I'm gonna set up those streaming lives on the VPS, set it up to that FTMO account, and let it trade live. I know you aren't live every day, so I am live every day. How can I get the signal indicator? I want to back test in a high risk, high live account and see how much I can run up. I do lives every day. All right. On the days that I cannot do a live, I let everybody know, and then I will either set this up exactly like this. You just won't see me because I'll probably be like out or something, but I'll leave the live running, and or that's also the reason why I'm going to set up these signals to be sent to the Discord. It's the same strategy, right? Don't take this buy signal, because that buy signal is below the last high. So this buy signal, this candle closed weak. I have to add a filter. I have it here. I've added to filter that the candle must close strong in that direction. So this wick created that 20-point break, but you can see here it's actually a weak signal. So don't take this signal. That's the next update that's going to come out on top of the transparent boxes, be able to fix all that stuff. So yeah, let me gather my thought. Where was I? So yeah, if you want to try the indicator out, just join the Discord and send me a message with your TradingView username, and I'll give you until next week so you can play around with it. Yeah, I mean the drawdown, that's normal across everything. So I'm here for the people. I'm here for the people, man. You guys know I'm here for the people. Yesterday we had like a 3 or 4 hour long Zoom call. You know, I like talking to you guys. Copy Trader was gonna go live this week, but I didn't want it to trade during news. So the Copy Trader will be going live Monday. Yeah, so look, this is the buy signal down here from this 100-point move, right? This buy signal on this candle closed weak. It closed on a bearish candle. The reason why I plotted it is because it's based on a 20-point threshold. So this candle broke 20 points, it actually broke 37, but it did not close bullish. So this is considered a weak signal. I wouldn't take it. So on the next update, I'm actually going to make a filter for price action candles that if it's going to print a signal, it has to be a confirmed candle in that direction. So you can see if you would took that buy right now, you've been in drawdown because of basic Basic price action. That's it. You know what I mean? That's a doji. So a weak candle in a bullish structure. So you wouldn't have taken that signal. No signals in the weak areas. I only use MT4 right now though, so I have to set up a trading view like yours. Have a tutorial? No, I don't have a tutorial necessarily. I think I do in my course, but trading view is fairly simple. You know what I mean? Sign up for an account. You can use a free account. You can look up Trading View 101 on YouTube. I'm sure there's a couple videos up there. And then send me your Trading View username. And then once you send me that, I'll let you know when I grant you access. You'll go here to the top. It says indicators. Click on that, and you'll see invite only scripts for indicators that you have been invited to use. It will be there. I've been gone for a while. How often do you hit TP3 for your trades? I don't know, guys. How often do I hit TP3 for my trades? I have no idea. Whole class says every day, 99%. I'll let you guys say that. Like I said, yesterday was the only loss, and then we made it back in blood. You know what I mean? For what? 100 points. We hit 100 points every day. $100 in and out, done. Dunzo. Definitely for the people, it's rare to see authenticity in this trading world. I appreciate the love, man. 100%, I do. Yeah, tomorrow's NFP too, so yeah, next week I'm ready for war. Yeah, I'll still do a live tomorrow. I will let you guys know now, low risk. So if you're trading with a 0.5 or 0.05, no matter what tomorrow you're trading with a 0.01, right? It can go a lot of different ways. So if you choose to trade tomorrow, I'll do the live just for presentation purposes to see how the Sigma acts on the live, on news. I don't think I'll personally trade tomorrow. But NFP usually means, depending on what time it's the meeting is, or the news releases, anything prior to that is very choppy. So I think we're going to see a good trend in the market today. probably later on in the session. It's already 7:30, so yeah. I mean, everyone lets the greed gets to them. I mean, this shit's like a video game. You're printing money, and it's like gambling, right? Market only goes up or down. 50% chance that you win, and the only thing that will set you apart is good money management. So I have very strict money management rules, and I know what my threshold is emotionally and mentally in terms of how many lots I want to, trade and what I'm comfortable with. I've traded 5 lots. I've traded 10 lots. I've traded everything with NASDAQ and US 30. And my structure right now with the 0.25s, especially with the contract sizes on Hero FX, the raw spread on Hero FX, right? I make a great amount of money every morning with this structure. So like I have a rule for every $1,000 that I make. Say I have like $1,000 account. I'm trading 0.02s, 0.03s until I make the 2,000 or 3,000, and then I up the lot size by 1 decimal. So if I'm at a $3,000 account, I'm trading with a 0.3. If I make $5,000 account, I'm trading with a 0.5s. So for every $1,000, I consider moving up my lot size. And then once you get past that 10K mark and you're trading 10K, with a 0.10s or maybe a 0.15, 0.25, for every 2K, I up the lot size, because the higher you make, the more contracts, the more you're opening. So I base my lot size based on the $1,000 multiplier, and then it gets to a point like if you have a $30,000 account, I won't up my lot size until at least I make 5K and above. So I have that structure. That's fire, Tim. Fire. But remember, sometimes you might have to take TP1 and then take another setup if you don't. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We've done that live too, where, we'll get in a trade, it'll hit TP1, then break even stop loss for the other 2 trades. Then we get into another setup, and then we hit another 25 points. Now we made 50 points for the day. And then that hits break even, right? And then we get in another trade, and it goes directly to TP2. So you hit another 50 points. You get what I mean? And then there's your 100 points. So it doesn't have to come from all one trade. Most of the time it actually does come from one trade on the opening, but on the days that it doesn't, we always kind of make up for it via, how we go, in and out, scalping. Uh, 6:30 a.m. PST. So 9:30 a.m. EST. I wouldn't. I might be wrong, but I don't think I'll marry that buy just yet, brother. It hasn't corrected itself. It's still in a range. Hasn't broken that TP3 high, and it hasn't corrected that impulse candle. I wouldn't marry that buy just yet. I think it needs to hit that supply zone that it created, and then if it's going to continue bullish, it's going to continue bullish from there. I think it's going to hit London's low before we see anything around 1864. I think we're going to come back down to this level and then see where we're going to go from there. Because look at it. You have 3 wicks consecutively rejecting off the same area that we hit TP3 at. What does that tell you? Excuse me. And granted, I'm not a price action trader, but that's, for people that watch VP and No Nonsense Forex, I think that's where my edge comes from as well. I understand basic price action. I understand basic market structure. More than that, I know market structure. Like, I study it, but when you combine market structure or basic price action, like, I don't look for dice and me looking for dragons and shit. I just look for, am I rejecting at a level? Am I bouncing off a level? Did I break through a level? Is the candle closing strong or is it closing weak? That's all I look for in combination to whatever my algo tells me. So, do you guys hear me better? It's clearer now? So yeah, it's gonna suck when you leave for basketball. Are you gonna do live still? I'm still gonna do lives. I'm gonna attempt my best to do lives because I don't know the schedule yet. It depends what practice is. It depends. I'll be on East Coast time because I'm being Dominican Republic, so that's 9:30. So it depends on what time they want to have practice at. But I'm not just going to leave you guys high and dry. So there's 2 things that you need to do because I'm setting things in motion so I don't leave you guys high and dry just in case I can't make it live. You know what I mean? 1, if you want to be part of the Copy Trader, make sure you sign up with the link in the description to Hero FX, set up an account, attach your account to my Forex Copy Trader. You'll make some passive income accordingly. 2, I'm setting up the free Discord signals chat to send out these NAS100 trades to the Discord so you guys can at least have a signals chat just in case I can't make it live. And yeah. How long am I out for? Usually a season is 2 to 3 months. I'm only going for 2 to 3 weeks. My setup, it's a little bit different because, for lack of a better term, the brand that I hold. You know what I mean? I can come in and out and be the showman versus being a import. So after trading futures, it's painful to go back to trading Forex. I can understand that. I like Forex a lot better because it's really a better money printer for me, really. Yes, because every signal that will be coming from the signals chat is exactly what you're seeing right now. It will only send trades from New York session to all throughout New York session. But also understand it's a signals chat. It's an automatic signals chat. So, you have to validate the signals. You have to agree with the signals. Don't take signals blindly. Look at the chart. You agree with it, take the signal. The NAS100 Copy Trader account, I don't think so. I don't think I'm going to bring back the Indices Copy Trader account for a little bit, only because, it's too risky for a lot of people, and a lot of people don't have the risk tolerance. and that means I have to trade multiple different accounts. You know what I mean? I'll probably set up the copy trader account on the EA and let the EA take it, but I'm gonna start with the Forex copy trader account, let that run for a little bit, get everybody on there, and then gradually move up to, you know, your indices, and I'll probably make a gold one. You know what I mean? Like, as time progresses, I'm gonna keep adding things to the product list and what I offer to continue to add value, but one step at a time. I have a new system coming out in the next week or so. It's the breakout system with market structure that I will release and display to you guys. So yeah. Can you make oh yeah, I think I'm getting sick. Can you make an automatic TP lot size percentage for MT5 so it's one click trading, so they don't have to already, they have one already, but it glitches. I don't make MT5 indicators, but the EA does that automatically. The EA does everything you need it to do automatically. Adjust lot sizes, move to break even, trailing stops, everything. News filter, asymmetric compounding, everything. Thank you. When does the FTMO EA video start? I'm gonna set everything up this weekend. I just got the updated EA file, so I'm gonna spend the rest of the day creating new videos for and new instructions for the Sigma EA, and then go from there. You need a printer mechanism in order to beat the current inflation. Shit. Shout out Forex. This skill set will last you a lifetime, not to sound cliche, but it gets to the point where it's just like, this account that I traded started at $200, 10K account now in 2 weeks. So I might do a small account challenge video as well. I'll probably start with like a $300 account and make YouTube videos trading that live account, or have the EA trade the live account. 200 to 10K, only risking 2%. Yep. Because what you're not realizing is contract size. Contract size, broker to broker, is different. So I risked, like I sent the screenshot in my chat yesterday. 100 points, what, 0.2 trades. Those were 0.2 lot sizes. I made $800 yesterday. It's not as hard as you think. French video as well. Do you use Coinbase? No, I just use my Cash App or CoinZoom. Any crypto wallet's the same. You just gotta send the money. You know, people hear that 200 to 10K is like, well, go on a demo account and put in a $200 account and see what 0.2s can get you, 0.1s can get you, compounding with the way that I teach you guys, with each one going to each TP. You know what I mean? You'll see how the contract sizes work when it comes to indices. You don't need to risk a lot. I flipped the $100 account to 600 in 1 or 2 days last week, so I definitely can see that. See? Now look, 1, 2, 3, 4 wick rejections from the top. Yeah, I don't use centralized exchanges, guys. When it comes to crypto, I keep it strictly what crypto's supposed to be, decentralized. Oh yeah, no, like 2%, once I get to like, a 10K account, you know what I mean? Or anything really above 2K, you know what I mean? Obviously, risking 2% on a $200 account is, but, you gradually get there. And I think I've proven that it's not hard. We do this every morning. It's consistent. That is why I preach, practice, stay to one thing. People, I want to trade GU, I want to trade AU, I want to trade EU. I'm like, for what? Why? Does it fit your schedule? Then that's a valid reason. But if you just want to trade all those pairs because you see your favorite trader on YouTube trading those pairs, that doesn't serve you anything. You have to you can stick to one pair, one trade a day, and make your money. Get the fuck out. And the cool thing about indices is that there's always a trade every day. Even if you got to wait a little bit longer for it, there is always a trade every day. Exactly. It's 7:47. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes past 8 o'clock, the next hour candle, to see what will happen. Well, look at the current momentum, bro. It may have hit TP1, right? 25 points, that's fine. That's kind of regular. And you can see how the stop loss moved to break even. So I'm still not sold on the complete buy because it needs to correct itself. It broke structure, but we have to see if it's going to close above that structure. That's the important part, because it can wick like it did right now, but unless you considered wicks a break of structure, I don't. The candle has to close strong above break of structure, and the next candle has to open above that break of structure. So you can see how it can wick a TP1, but then right as you see here, that weak candle can come all the way back down. And this is just based on experience. You can see right here, it wicked TP1, but the candle's closing weak. So this candle can very much close underneath your break-even stop loss. And then come all the way back down. You know what I mean? So this is why I didn't take this buy, because I didn't believe in the strength of the momentum. And you can see why I didn't believe in the strength of the momentum, because you can see when there's momentum, right? Boom, it just continues. When there is no momentum, it's going to, it might wick and then it will just come right back. And that's how you get caught up, which is why I don't continue trading, but I'm very particular in terms of the setup. Shout out to all 30 of you on the live right now. Make sure you give this live a like for the YouTube algorithm. I greatly appreciate that. Tell your friends and family about this live and how we make a lot of chicken every day. You know what I mean? And chicken palms itching. On your screen, your pips and points disappeared. What, like the table? It reverses. This is what I'm trying to say. Like, it will correct itself. You know what I'm trying to say? I didn't believe in this buy based on the back testing I've done. And today, it was just happened to be one of those examples of it can. But from my experience trading NAS and back testing, it will hit an impulse, correct itself, and then either go reverse or continue on to the trend. I didn't want to jump into this buy until it corrected itself. So that's what I'm feeling. Yeah, the pips and points is connected to a buy signal, brother, or sell signal, like any signal. Is this signal good? I mean, technically speaking, the signal is good. I just didn't take it. We're flat. I see a descending wedge. Where do you see a descending wedge? That's a ascending wedge, bro. No. Oh, this. Sorry. That daily rain video. What daily rain? Wait, you're seeing? Is that what you're seeing? You look at too much, Dyson. I can't. I can't. That's the whole reason I became an algo trader. I am too, I'm not gonna lie. You know what I mean? I am too. So If you're having issues with your current broker, Hero FX is your answer. 0 spreads, $6 commissions. Very, very light. Well, so am I. Confluences are different things, you know what I mean? So it's like my confluences come from my algo. Being an algo trader, you need to be an algo trader. You need to follow your system. Unless your system consists of a consistent pattern and you build around that, it doesn't make sense to, do that. Unless it works for you. If it works for you, then perfect. The new hourly candle opened up. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I used to be part of Fair Forex. I actually made their first YouTube video. I haven't used Fair Forex for a couple months now. For that particular reason. So I'm on Hero FX. The whole team is on Hero FX. Link in the description. Way better spreads. Way better. I mean, there is no spreads. US 30 is 1 point. NASDAQ is only 4. Spread wise, you're immediately in profit every day. So for people asking me how I make the profit that I make, is because the spreads on my broker are non-existent, as in the commissions. The charges were 80 cents on my trade this morning. 80 cents, and I made on this entry was $173. Each one was 80 cents. What's your account size? What's your leverage? What are you trying to trade? What time frame are you trying to trade it on? That all makes a difference. Yeah, so if you're trading a NAS account on $200, it's going to trade a 0.01. Leverage is on the broker. What leverage did you select when you opened up the account? If you have 1 to 500, you should be all right. All right. So I'm gonna jump off. All right. Get back to work. Make these videos for you guys. Remember, you guys want to try a new broker, Hero Effects. Link in the description. Link in the description to all my YouTube videos, all my recent ones at least. I'll be back at the same time tomorrow. Make sure you join the Discord if you need to talk to me personally. If you want to try out to the Sigma algo, hit me up on Discord. Send me your TradingView username. I'll give you until next week. Love you guys to death. I'll see you tomorrow.